What's up guys, Brimage here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be reviewing a waist trainer that was sent to me by Luxx Curves. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and let us hop into the video. Okay y'all, so for today's video, as I mentioned, I'll be reviewing a waist trainer that was sent to me by Luxx Curves. Now this is my first time ever trying a waist trainer once they reach out to me with the product. I've been wearing it for like a week or two now. This is the product right here. It is this beautiful galaxy looking waist trainer and it has been my pal for the past week or two. Whenever I used to hear about waist trainers, I always used to equate them to, you know, of course, obviously snatching your waist, getting that hourglass figure, which is something that Luxx Curves waist trainer does help you to attain. But one thing that it really helps me with that I had no idea that waist trainers were good for was actually my posture. So what happens when I wear this, because of the boning structure inside of it, let me show y'all. If you look, you see these four vertical lines at the back, these four right here. These bones definitely help to keep your back upright. I'm the type of girl, whenever I do sit in chairs or whatever, I tend to just slouch. Like I love to lay down. I'm like a potato, I don't know. But whenever I wear this, I am literally forced to sit up, and that has helped me with my posture. The website recommends wearing it up to 7 hours a day, between 5 and 7 hours. So I usually wear it between that time frame, and between that time frame I am forced to sit up. And what I realized too is that because for that period of the day I am sitting upwards, even when I do take this off, I do tend to sit upwards as well. So that is my biggest pro about this waist trainer. So if y'all want something to help with your posture and snatch your waist, get a waist trainer. Get this Luxx Curve waist trainers, and they come in so many different colors and styles. Like, it is limitless. I'll of course have all the necessary links in the description box down below so y'all can check them out. Now I'm going to show y'all just this one that I have. So I did get this in a size medium, and when it comes to waist trainers, you have to get your correct size. There's a way on how to measure your waist and the length of your torso and all of that in order to figure out what size is good for you. There is a video, I believe, on the Luxx Curves website that really is in depth, and it really walks you through how to do that. So I will definitely have that link below as well, so that y'all ensure that you get your perfect size, because that is necessary. This thing has to be snug. And I believe my measurements, my waist was 29 inches and my torso was about 11 inches long. I don't remember off the top of my head, but of course I have that down below for y'all as well. Okay, so this waist trainer that I got, as y'all can see the structure, and there are 5 bones at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these, as I said, these help to keep this thing sturdy on you. And as you go towards the side, you see there are 4 bones on each side, 4 right here and 4 right here. When I tell you these are so sturdy, this is not going anywhere. There are 3 different positions of the hooks on this thing. This would be the loosest and this would be the tightest, of course. I'm still on level 3, which is the loosest. I am slowly working my way up to level 2 and then to level 1. One day I will get to level 1, but as of now I am still at level 3. These waist trainers come in 11 different sizes, and they are made of 3 different layers of material, which is also breathable, and I can attest to that. I really don't feel like I'm suffocating in this, which was something I was scared of. So the material is definitely breathable. This too is hand wash only, so y'all can't put this in the wash. You gotta wash it with your hands and just let it air dry, which is not so bad. Now I'm going to put the waist trainer on so y'all can see how it looks on me and how I put it on. On the website, they recommend that you start from the bottom first and then hook your way down. So that is what I'm gonna do right now.
Stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes, your ocean eyes won't fall.
Okay guys, so this is me with the waist trainer on, and as y'all can see, it is super duper snug, which is how you want your waist trainer to fit. You really need it to hug your body, because that is how you're going to get your posture sitting upright, and that is how you're going to train your waist. So that is definitely important. Sizing with waist trainers are so important, so ensure that y'all follow the steps in the video on Luxx curves to get your perfect sizing. It does take a while to go on as well, but you do get used to that after some time, because as I said, it's supposed to be snug. So for it to be snug, you have to kind of like really work to get it on deep. But this is how I look in my waist trainer. I am pleasantly surprised how much I actually really do love this waist trainer. The material, I'm telling you, it is sturdy. Like, this is not going anywhere. I love the design, the galaxy-ish design. It's really cute, really stylish, and they have a million more designs on the Luxx Curve website. So y'all definitely check them out. Especially since Luxx Curves was so kind to give me a discount code for y'all. It will be across the screen. It is XO Brit, and you can use my discount code to get some money off of your order of any waist trainer on the Luxx Curves website. So shout out to Luxx Curves for providing me with that discount code for y'all. I really hope y'all use it. I really hope you guys copy yourselves a waist trainer and let me know what you think of it when you get it. Okay guys, that really brings us to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts on everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time guys, take care.